Arch Linux is all about simplicity and control. You build your system from the ground up, installing only what you need. Updates are frequent, cutting edge, and you get access to the Arch user repository, one of the largest collections of community-maintained software, but it's DIY. If you're not comfortable configuring everything yourself, Arch can be intimidating. Arch gives you freedom, customization, and bleeding-edge updates, but it demands effort and knowledge. On the other hand, openSUSE Tumbleweed is also rolling release, but with a different philosophy. It focuses on stability while still delivering the latest packages. Updates go through automated testing, so you're less likely to break your system. Plus, tools like YAST make system management easier. From drivers to services, no need to manually tweak every little thing. Tumbleweed gives you stability, tested updates, and great admin tools. Perfect if you want new software without constant manual fixing.